Welcome to the Irresistible Butter Chicken Makhani recipe. Ingredients for marination: 1.5 pounds, about 700 g, boneless, skinless chicken thighs or breasts, cut into bite-sized pieces. 1/2 cup plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, or minced ginger and garlic. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon chili powder or paprika salt to taste for the sauce. 4 tablespoons unsalted butter. 1 tablespoon oil, 1 large onion, finely chopped 4 cloves garlic, minced 1-inch piece of ginger, minced 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon chili powder or paprika, adjust to taste. 1 can, 14 ounces, tomato puree or crushed tomatoes. 1 cup heavy cream or cashew cream for a dairy-free option. 1 tablespoon sugar, optional. Salt, to taste fresh cilantro leaves for garnish instructions. Marinating the chicken. Embrace the flavors by mixing yogurt, ginger garlic paste, turmeric, garam masala, chili powder or paprika, and salt. Coat the chicken pieces and let them marinate for at least 30 minutes. Cooking the chicken. Heat a skillet or pan over medium-high heat. Cook the marinated chicken pieces until golden brown and fully cooked. Set aside. Creating the sauce. In the same pan, melt butter with oil. Sauté chopped onions until translucent. Add minced garlic and ginger, letting their aromas fill the air. Spice infusion. Add ground cumin, ground coriander, garam masala, and chili powder or paprika. Allow the spices to dance together for a minute. Tomato symphony. Pour in the tomato puree or crushed tomatoes. Let the mixture simmer on low heat for 10-15 minutes until the sauce thickens. Blending harmony. Achieve a smooth consistency by blending the sauce. Return it to the pan. Finishing touches. Stir in heavy cream or cashew cream for a dairy-free option. Add sugar, if using, and salt to taste. Gently add the cooked chicken pieces. Simmer for an extra 5-10 minutes. Garnish and serve. Before serving, sprinkle fresh cilantro leaves for an inviting touch. Pair it with naan, rice, or your preferred bread for a delightful meal. Savor the exquisite butter chicken Makhani. This butter chicken Makhani recipe promises a delightful blend of spices and creamy tomato goodness that'll leave everyone at the table craving more. Adjust the flavors to your liking and enjoy this irresistible dish with friends and family.